Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to import Google Sheets into Google Docs. Okay, let's begin. First of all, open your Google Sheets and click open your data or documents. You can use full select or only select it. Press Ctrl C, copy. Then again create a new tab. Open Google Docs. Then press Ctrl V. Paste table link to spreadsheet. Only editors can update the table. Collaborators can see a link to the source spreadsheet or past unlink as you wish. I use link to spreadsheet. Then click paste. Okay. And now see this link. Go to spreadsheet. Close to this spreadsheet. Open source or unlink. Sense range. Open source, then automatically open this document. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.